Did you know that 80% of top YouTube channels are now using AI for voiceovers? Imagine automating your content creation and boosting your channel's quality without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll dive into the secrets of voiceover automation, whether AI tools or freelancers are right for you. Stay tuned to discover how to elevate your audio game and streamline your content creation. Today, we're diving into a game changer for content creators: voiceover and audio automation. The rise of AI has revolutionized the way we produce content, and voiceovers are no exception. Imagine having high-quality voiceovers at your fingertips without needing to spend hours recording or hiring expensive voice talent. In this video, we'll explore how AI tools are transforming the voiceover industry, offering you the ability to generate professional audio quickly and cost-effectively. We'll also compare AI tools with traditional freelancers, giving you the pros and cons of each so you can make the best choice for your content. By the end, you'll have actionable tips to enhance your audio quality, automate your voiceovers, and boost your channel's production value. Ready to unlock the secrets to seamless voiceover automation? Let's get started. All right, let's talk about a common struggle many beginners face when it comes to voiceovers: the cost and complexity involved. First up, let's address the elephant in the room: cost. Professional voiceover work can be surprisingly expensive. Hiring a talented voice artist might seem like a great idea, but it can quickly eat into your budget, especially if you're just starting out. And if you're producing content regularly, those costs can add up fast. Next, there's the accessibility of technology. Many beginners are daunted by the thought of investing in high-end recording equipment and software. The initial setup might seem overwhelming, and the price tag for quality gear can be quite hefty. Even if you manage to get the equipment, the learning curve can be steep. Recording and editing your own voiceovers takes practice. You'll need to master audio editing software and learn how to produce clear, professional-sounding audio. This not only requires time, but also a fair bit of technical know-how. It's easy to get discouraged if you're not seeing immediate results or if the audio quality isn't meeting your expectations. So what's the solution? How can you overcome these hurdles without compromising your content quality or breaking the bank? That's where automation comes in. In the next segment, we'll explore how AI tools and other automation options can help you bypass these challenges, offering you a streamlined, cost-effective way to produce top-notch voiceovers. Stick around to find out how you can simplify your workflow and elevate your content with minimal effort. All right, before we continue, I've left a pinned comment down below as a place for everyone to connect and grow together. If you're looking to build your YouTube channel, here's a powerful tip. Head to the pinned comment, introduce yourself, and let others know what your channel is about. Then, take a few moments to support someone else in the comments by subscribing. Think of it as a win-win, a simple way to build your audience while helping others grow too. So go ahead, drop your comment, make some connections, and let's build up this community together. Now, back to the video. Now that we've covered the challenges, let's dive into the exciting world of AI tools for voiceover automation. These tools are revolutionizing the industry by making it easier and more affordable to produce professional quality audio. Let's explore some of the best options out there and see how they can benefit you. First up is Google Text-to-Speech. This tool offers a range of voices and languages, making it versatile for various types of content. It's user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with other Google services, allowing you to generate voiceovers directly from text. The best part? It's free. While the voices are quite natural, you might find some limitations in customization and advanced features. Next, we have Amazon Polly. This service provides lifelike voiceovers with a wide array of voices and languages. It's great for creating engaging content because of its advanced text-to-speech capabilities. Polly also offers features like speech marks and pronunciation lexicons, which can enhance the expressiveness and accuracy of your audio. It's a paid service, but the pricing is flexible and based on usage, so you only pay for what you need. If you're looking for something with a bit more flair, check out Descript's Overdub. Descript is known for its powerful audio and video editing tools, and Overdub takes it a step further by allowing you to create custom voice models. You can clone your own voice or use one of their pre-existing models. This tool is perfect if you want a unique voice that sounds just like you or your brand. It's subscription-based, but the cost is reasonable for the level of customization and quality it offers. Another notable option is iSpeech. iSpeech provides a wide range of voices and supports multiple languages. It's known for its ease of use and high-quality audio output. The tool is available in both free and premium versions, with the premium offering more advanced features and higher quality voices. It's ideal for beginners looking for a straightforward solution without a steep learning curve. Finally, let's talk about Murph AI. Murph AI is a robust tool that not only offers high-quality voiceovers, but also includes features for adjusting tone and pitch. It's particularly useful for those who want more control over the final audio output. Murph's user-friendly interface makes it accessible for beginners, and its range of voices and accents can add a professional touch to your content. Pricing varies based on the features you need, but it's a solid investment for serious content creators. How can these tools benefit you? They streamline the voiceover process, allowing you to focus on content creation rather than getting bogged down by technical issues. They're cost-effective compared to hiring voice talent and provide consistent, high-quality results. In summary, AI tools for voiceover automation can help you overcome the hurdles of cost, complexity, and quality. Whether you choose a free service like Google Text-to-Speech or invest in a more advanced tool like Murph AI, these options can significantly enhance your content production process. Let's dive into a compelling success story that showcases just how transformative AI tools can be for voiceover work. Meet Jenna, a content creator who used to struggle with the high costs and technical complexities of voiceovers. Jenna runs a popular YouTube channel focused on tech reviews. Initially, she hired a freelance voice artist for her video narrations, but the costs quickly added up, and scheduling conflicts made it difficult to maintain a consistent posting schedule. She knew she needed a solution that was both cost-effective and efficient. That's when Jenna discovered AI voiceover tools. She decided to give Descript's Overdub a try. With Overdub, she was able to clone her own voice, creating a custom voice model that sounded exactly like her. This was a game changer. She no longer had to worry about booking sessions or dealing with different voice artists. Jenna could now produce high-quality voiceovers on demand, right from her own computer. The results were impressive. Jenna reported a significant boost in her productivity. Where it previously took her days to get a single video completed due to waiting on voiceovers and revisions, she now could turn around content in a fraction of the time. The consistency in her voiceovers also improved the overall professionalism of her channel, leading to a noticeable increase in viewer engagement and subscriber growth. Jenna also experimented with Amazon Polly for certain types of content that required different accents and languages. Polly's lifelike voices and customization options allowed her to create diverse content that resonated with a broader audience. The flexibility Polly offered meant she could cater to an international audience without additional voice talent. One of Jenna's standout moments came when she used Polly to create a voiceover for a tech review video that featured a foreign language. The voice was so natural and clear that viewers praised the enhanced quality and accessibility. Jenna's ability to produce professional-grade audio without spending a fortune or dealing with complex recording setups was nothing short of a breakthrough. Jenna's story underscores the incredible potential of AI tools in revolutionizing voiceover work. Whether you're looking to cut costs, save time, or enhance the quality of your content, these tools offer a powerful solution. By leveraging AI for voiceovers, Jenna not only improved her workflow, but also achieved a level of consistency and professionalism that elevated her channel's success. So, if you're facing challenges with voiceover production, remember Jenna's experience. AI tools like Descript's Overdub and Amazon Polly can transform how you create content, making it easier and more efficient to produce high-quality voiceovers. All right, let's have a quick recap. Today, we've explored the exciting world of voiceover automation and how AI tools are transforming the game for content creators like you. We kicked things off by discussing the challenges of traditional voiceover work, high costs, complex technology, and the steep learning curve. Then, we delved into some fantastic AI tools like Google Text-to-Speech, Amazon Polly, Descript's Overdub, and iSpeech. Each of these tools offers unique features that can streamline your voiceover process, save you money, and boost the quality of your content. Jenna's success story highlighted how AI can turn voiceover challenges into opportunities for greater efficiency and professionalism. With the right tools, you can produce high-quality voiceovers without breaking the bank or spending hours on technical details. So, if you're a beginner looking to enhance your content with seamless, cost-effective voiceovers, these AI tools are definitely worth considering. They're designed to simplify your workflow and help you create professional audio with ease. Before we wrap up, don't miss out on our next video, where we'll dive into video editing tips for beginners. Whether you're looking to polish your edits, streamline your process, or learn some insider tricks, this upcoming video will have you covered. Click here to watch and continue leveling up your content creation skills. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.